hospital once in a week and help the patients. I will become a partner with local administration and law enforcement of agencies to my district clean, happy and safe. Last one. I will work with integrity and succeed with integrity. I will be good member of my family, good member of the society, a good member of the nation, and good member of the world. I will always try to save or better someone's life without any discrimination of caste, creed, language, religion or state. Wherever I am, a thought will always come to my mind, that is, what can I give? What can I give? What can I give? I will work with courage to achieve success in all my tasks and enjoy